Smart home. Smart home technology, also referred as home automation or domotics, is a domain of programming and artificial intelligence technologies. It provides owners with security, comfort, convenience, and energy efficiency by allowing them to control smart devices, often by a smart home app on their smartphone or other network device. A home equipped with lights, ACs, and other electronic appliances can be controlled remotely by a smartphone or a computer. A smart home would combine a number of sensory interfaces such as facial or voice recognition, context-based suggestions, and responsive notifications via artificial intelligence to reduce the amount of input required on the part of the owner. This would all come together to create a control system that simplifies users' decision-making process in a rapidly changing environment. A particular extreme scenario would be the ability to stage an evacuation in the event of a small-scale house fire. Having sensed the fire, the AI would alert each member of the house and intelligently guide each person to a safe meeting point.